Do you want to create a visually stunning presentation in PowerPoint? Today, I'll show you how to design a slide with dynamic animations and creative text effects, all within just a few minutes. First, start with a blank slide. Go to the Format Background option and select Picture Fill. From there, choose your background image. I've selected one from my files that's suitable with the theme of this presentation. Next, insert a rectangle shape that covers the entire slide. Go to Format Shape, fill it with a black and white gradient, and set the outline to No Outline. Now, insert another rectangle shape in the center of the slide. Add a text box over this rectangle. Type the letter I in Brushia font and increase the font size until it fits perfectly within the rectangle. Once done, select both the text box and rectangle, then go to Shape Format, Merge Shapes, Intersect. This will create a unique cutout shape. Change its angle slightly to add more interest to the design. Duplicate the shape and arrange them up and down along the slide to create a layered effect. Adjust the positions until you're happy with the composition. Select all the shapes, go to Format Object, and set the fill to Background Fill. This allows the background image to show through the shapes, creating a stunning layered effect. You can reposition the shapes if needed to enhance the overall layout. Let's add some animations. Select the first shape and apply a wipe animation. Then, go to the Effect options to adjust the direction of the wipe. Repeat this process for the remaining shapes. But here's the trick. Go to Animation pane, set the first animation to start on click, and for the rest, select After Previous for seamless flow. To make the slide more engaging, add some text boxes and content to the slide. Make sure everything is aligned and easy to read. Then, duplicate the slide to create a closing slide. For the last slide, remove all animations from the shapes. And set the transparency of the gradient rectangle to 30% for a soft fading effect. Finally, go to the first slide and move all the slide contents slightly off the slide borders. Apply a Morph Transition to all slides. This transition will create smooth movements, making the animations look effortless and awesome. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've created a stylish animated PowerPoint slide design that's perfect for any presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow SlideMaster for more creative PowerPoint ideas. See you next time.